Hello everyone, today I am going to show you AMC Secuquick Lid and tell about its uses. This is 24 cm Secuquick Lid. Secuquick Lid turns all our AMC pots into rapid cooking lids where we can cook food quicker and safer. Secuquick Lid helps us cook not only quick but it also helps in retention of maximum nutrients and makes the food tastier and healthier. It also controls the temperature throughout our cooking. We can see two windows here. According to the food we are cooking, these two windows will control the temperature. In soft window, we can cook foods like rice, vegetables and chicken. In turbo window, we can cook all our pulses and meat without losing their original taste and nutrients. Here we have a rotating knob by which we can lock our lid to the unit with just a one twist. And here we can see the yellow button which we can press and check whether the pressure is completely released or not after cooking. We also have 4 safety valves which guarantees the safety while out cooking. These are the 4 safety valves. This is a bell nut which holds the 2 parts of a Secuquick Lid. Can be easily removed and we can fix it easily again. We just have to screw it. We also have a gasket here. While placing the gasket, we should always check that the groove side should come this side. Now I will show you how to fix the lid to the unit. Just place the lid on the unit. See that the rotating knob is open. Press the lid a little bit and just lock it. Lid is locked to the unit. With just another twist to the opposite side, you can open the lid. After using the Secuquick Lid, we have to remove the gasket. We have to unscrew this. We should separate these 2 parts and clean inside. While cleaning, we should always use sponge scrubber to avoid damage of these safety valves and also to avoid the scratches. We should clean all this area. We should clean here also. All the non-steel parts can be covered under warranty for 2 years. And we should change the safety valves and the gasket according to how often we use the lid. We have Secuquick Lids in 2 different sizes. One is 20 cm and one is 24 cm. This 20 cm Secuquick Lid will fit all our 20 cm AMC units, where we can turn all our 20 cm units into rapid cooking units by just using this one lid. And also, we can turn all our 24 cm units into rapid cooking units by just this 24 cm Secuquick Lid. Thank you for watching, and for more information and more interesting recipes, keep watching AMC India YouTube channel. Thank you.